Welcome to C++ Coding Ninja. Hello everyone, so today's tutorial is going to be about break. So what happens is that break is for if some condition is true and you want to stop the while statement, like for example, if you have a while statement that says that as long as I is less than 10, print I and I equals I plus 1. So let's say some condition is true and you want to make sure that I stop at 5. So that's how you're going to do that. So that's what break statements are. So let's just quickly make a while statement that will count from 1 to 100. Okay, so as you can see here, we created a while statement which will get us from 0 to 100. Yeah, okay, well, it should get us to 100. So let's say that we want the program, like, okay, let's just make it 10 since it might be a bit too much. But let's say that we want this to, like, if there's a variable like a boolean, bool stop equals true. So it's now, and inside this while statement, what we're gonna write is if stop is equals true, and like if we want to write a condition which will give us if stop equals true and if I equals 6, I'm gonna write parentheses break and then semicolon. So now what this will do is that if this variable is true, then the program will print all the numbers until 5, and then once it reaches 6, the program will end. So now let's just run the program. Yeah, there you go. So now we have all the numbers from 1 to 5. Now, if you just make this false, then it will go from 0 to 10. So those are what break statements are. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.